As one professional OEM ODM telephone manufacturer, Shenzhen East Line Communication Tech Company Limited can supply different kinds of desk landline telephones. Our products include ported/landline phone, GSM/3G/4G SIM card fixed wireless phone FWP, Android phone, IP phone, DECT cordless phone etc. Our production facilities include IC bonding, PCB SMT, mold design and production, plastic injection, silk print, assembling and AQL test of finished goods, and logistics. With around 3,000 PCS daily capacity per production lines, and with 5 lines, our monthly capacity is minimum 300,000 pieces. If you are a telephone wholesaler or want to sell with your brand, welcome to contact us freely for more details.